Check out this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 SXL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.